Now let us discuss about a very important chapter in organic chemistry, that is cycloalkanes. What are cycloalkanes? You know a little bit about alkanes. So alkanes are saturated hydrocarbons where all the carbons are sp3 hybridized. So like hexane, 1 2 3 4 5 6, CH3 CH3. So this is simple hexane, means 6 carbons are there saturated. So what happens if both these ends join together? Then it becomes cyclohexane. So cycloalkanes are nothing but cyclized alkanes. So alkanes, because saturated, when a ring structure is there where all the atoms are made up of carbon, and when this structure is saturated, that is what we call it as cycloalkane. You can have cycloalkene, alkyne, you can also have all of them. Okay, so what are cycloalkanes and why they are very important for us, for a pharmacy student, and how they are classified, how they are prepared, what are their properties, and a little bit more discussion regarding their conformations is what we will be discussing in this session. Okay, so in case of cycloalkanes, before going into the actual discussion, let us see, can you get anything into your mind when you saw this structure? Do you have any molecule with a structure like this in our pharmacy or medical field or biochemistry? I'll draw one structure so that gives you an idea. See here, this is a very important molecule in our body. We call it as cholesterol. So this is nothing but cholesterol, where all these rings are, except this ring, B ring, remaining rings are saturated hydrocarbons and with ringed structures. Okay, so cholesterol is a very important molecule in our body. This is one example of how cycloalkanes are part and parcel of our own biochemical system. And we have several drugs with cycloalkanes as a very important part of their structure, like cyclobarbitone and pranylcypromine. So those are some of the examples of where cycloalkanes are a part and parcel of drug system. Okay, so now see. So what are the different types of molecules you can have if you wanted to simply classify cycloalkanes? You can do a simple classification like simple cycloalkanes, like simple alkanes, common and large. In case of simple, you can have 3-membered or 4-membered ring will be there. In case of common, 5-membered or 6-membered. In case of large, greater than 7, greater than or equal to 7. 3 or 4 means cyclopropane, a simple triangle. This is cyclopropane. If you write a rectangle, otherwise a square like this is 4 corners are there, 4 carbons means it's a butane, so cyclic, so cyclobutane. It is like this. And the second one is fused or bridged. Fused or bridged means, let us say you have 2 cyclohexanes together. So these are what we call it as fused ring systems. So this is a decalin, okay, 440 decalin, and you can also have bornene and many other chemicals are there where you will be having a bridged system. So like this, one is a simple monocyclic systems, like a simple system where cyclopropane, cyclobutane is there. So let us say what kind of name you will give for a 5-membered carbon, 5-membered alkane, 5 carbons are there, so it is pentane. So if it is cyclic, cyclopentane, cyclohexane, it goes on like that. So these are some of the examples that we have. If you want to simply classify it, you can classify it in this way.